I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a recent OS and enough battery. Once updated, start now. Open Settings and go straight to Display or Appearance. If you have accessibility settings enabled, make sure they don't override themes. Once in Display, locate Theme, Dark Mode, or Appearance. This is the control you'll flip. Tap to enable and keep eyes on contrast options. You're starting the change immediately, so don't navigate away. This is the first actionable step to switch the entire interface. Now configure how dark mode behaves. Select permanent for constant use, scheduled to follow sunset, or adaptive to change with ambient light. You'll want to tweak contrast and wallpaper dimming so text remains readable. Higher contrast can help night viewing. Make sure system-wide or apply to apps is toggled so third-party apps follow the theme. Once done, review key apps, messaging, email, and browser to confirm they respected the system setting. If an app didn't change, use its internal theme setting. Finish by checking lock screen, widgets, and notifications for consistent dark styling. If something looks off, restart the phone to force a full redraw. This resolves many partial theme issues. If a specific app stays light, clear its cache or update the app. Some apps require their own theme toggle. As a last resort, briefly switch back to light, update the OS and apps, then re-enable dark mode. Make sure to test during scheduled times if you use auto schedule, and you'll be set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.